last class, we solved the problem of exercise 2.1, first main problem. Now let me continue with the second main problem. Represent the following situation in the form of quadratic equation. Here the situations are given. Based on that, we have to write it in the form of expression. That is quadratic equation which should be there in the format of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. First question, the area of the rectangular plot is 528 meters square. The length of the plot in meter is 1 more than the twice its breadth. We need to find the length and the breadth of the plot. So here we have to find the value of length and breadth of the plot by using the formula. We can take breadth as x and length as 2x plus 1 here, because it is given that length of the plot is 1 more than the twice of its breadth. So I can write area of the rectangular plot is equal to length into breadth, which is equal to 528 meters square. It is already given in the question. So by simply multiplying the terms 2x plus 1 into x is equal to 528, you can write 2x square plus x is equal to 528. If you shift 528 to the LHS side, you can write 2x square plus x minus 528 is equal to 0. So this is the final expression for the first problem. Let me continue with the second problem. The product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. We need to find the integers. So here the product of 1 is nothing but it is a two consecutive positive integers of the 306. So I can write x into x plus 1 is equal to 306. So x into x is x square, x into 1 is plus x is equal to 306. The final expression is x square plus x minus 306 is equal to 0. So this is the final expression for the question. Third one, Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages in 3 years from now will be 360. We would like to find Rohan's present age. So here the Rohan's present age can be taken as x, mother's present age is taken as x plus 26. After 3 years, Rohan's age can be taken as x plus 3 and mother's x plus 26 plus 3. So you can write it as 26 plus 3 is 29. Therefore x plus 29 is the age of mother after 3 years. Now product of the ages are taken as x plus 3 into x plus 29 is equal to 360. If you multiply, you will get the expression as x square plus 29x plus 3x plus 87 is equal to 360. Therefore x square plus 32x plus 87 minus 360 is equal to 0. Therefore x square plus 32x minus 273 is equal to 0. To find the Rohan's present age, we have to solve the equation, that is x square plus 39x minus 7x minus 273 is equal to 0. Then you will get x is equal to plus 7, that is the Rohan's present age.